Hey everybody, Bones here, Bones Garage, just bringing you an update what's going on at the garage. So, 1997 Land Rover Defender 90. Yes, we have now started on the dreaded wiring. Woohoo! Problem with this truck is you cannot get a wire harness for this truck. They are not made. They are not around. There is nobody who can take it in and redo it, fix it, make it work. So we are having to do all of it ourselves. What we have been doing, as you can see here, is you see how dirty everything is, how all the tape is all messed up, how some of the wires are broken. We are going in, we're taking all of the tape off, all of the split loom off, and we are checking each of these wires to make sure that they are not cut, broken, damaged in any way that is going to cause us a problem later on. Everything is being checked. Things like this are going to be replaced. We do not want stuff like that on it. We want it to go back into the harness where it belongs. If we take a look, that is the body harness. That is the rear harness. We already have the motor harness all done. See how nice and clean everything is? See how clean the fuse block is? We will continue to finish cleaning this, getting this in a little bit better condition, but it is very clean and ready to go. We have replaced all the electrical tape. We've replaced all the wire looms. Any wires that were broken or damaged in any way have already been replaced and fixed. We've put all new coverings over everything. You can see how nice and clean all of the plugs are. We have gone in and cleaned every connection inside every single plug to make sure that they do not have any problems when we go to start this truck. It really becomes a nightmare with electrical issues. So we really are working hard to make these harnesses as nice and as clean as possible. You can see we've replaced all of the interior seals on them. I mean, there's a lot of work that has gone into fixing up and cleaning up this harness. We probably have 2 to 3 days just in the motor harness and getting it all set up to go back into the truck. So yeah, that is a lot of work, but you can see in the end, it is going to make a huge difference. Another thing we got in, yay, we finally got the driver's door in. We're still waiting on the passenger door. They're saying another 2 to 3 weeks for the passenger door, but we did get the driver's door in, and we also got the upper window, the slide window in for the driver's side. Again, we're still waiting on the passenger one. We were going to take the doors, the upper windows, the slide windows, pull them all apart and rebuild them. Put all new seals in it, put all new gaskets, everything. But when we started looking up all the prices, the amount of time and labor it was going to take to do everything and then repaint everything or repowder coat everything, it was going to cost just as much to do one window as it was to buy 2 of them. So talk to the owner. Owner was no problem with us doing that, so that's what we did. The doors and everything are lining up really nicely. We have a little bit of a misgap over here, which we're going to talk to the owner, see if he wants us to fix it. If not, then it's just going to go as is to the body shop and get started on that. We have pretty nice gaps so far. It's not looking bad at all. And we also have a pretty good alignment on that. I mean, if you look down the side of the truck, that is pretty much perfectly straight. The bed has to come over a little bit more out at the front of the bed to make it perfectly straight. But I don't want to go too crazy until we get the passenger door. Then we will know exactly which way everything has to go. Whether the bulkhead has to be moved that way or this way, or the bed has to be moved that way or this way to get the doors to line up with the bulkhead and the bed, as well as the front fenders. So yeah, this is coming out really nice. Another thing we have done is the whole AC system, placing all of it. We didn't even bother trying to clean or fix the old AC system up. The interior of it was all contaminated. It was no good. Garbage, got rid of it. Just bought a whole new setup. There is our new compressor. Look at how nice that is. It's a coated compressor, so it should not do the oxidation that a normal aluminum piece would do, which is going to be really nice. We have also put in all of the vents on the lower dashboard, and you can see them right there. Those are all the new ventilation system for the lower dashboard. We're going to take the middle part of the dashboard and refurbish all that. We'll clean it up, re-dye it, make it all look nice, make it all look good, because again, it is a piece that you can get, but there, I believe it was almost $3,000 with shipping. So we're going to just clean it up and fix it and make it look really nice. We also replaced all of the motors for the heat and ventilation, heat and air conditioning system. That's really nice. And this is our new heater box, all in and ready to go. New squirrel cage, new motor for that. That is for the AC system to come outside and hook into the evaporator. And you can see how nice this truck is really starting to come out. This is all of our old AC system, and you can see why we are replacing it. Because this whole ventilation system piece is all cracked and broken. It's just so old, there is no way to even fix it. It was less expensive to try and fix this system than it was to buy the whole new system. This is our old AC pieces too. These are the old motors. They were pretty much done. They turned, but not very well. So just easier to replace everything because it is just contaminated on the interior of it and you can't get all that out. So just replace it, put it all in brand new, get it done. So there you go. There's what's going on with the Rover. She's coming out really nicely. I am just really happy with it. Once we get everything all fitted on her, she will be taken back apart and the body and paint will start from there. So there you go, guys. Have fun. I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye.